Hi, I'm Angela. In this video, I will walk through an introduction to Global Byte, my SAP case study steps, and finally my reflections from assignment 1 and 2. Global Byte is a global bicycle manufacturer in both mountain biking and long-distance road racing. The company was created by John from the United States and Peter from Germany, and after that merged their businesses in 2001. John was known for building high-performance trail bikes in Texas, while Peter specialized in ultra-light composite road bike frames in Heidelberg. By combining their technologies and strengths, they formed Global Bike, a company focused on producing durable, innovative, and high-quality bicycles for demanding riders. Global Bike operates internationally and uses SAP S/4HANA to support its daily operations, from product design to manufacturing and distributions. Global Bike is organized as two main companies, Global Bike Incorporated in the United States and Global Bike Germany GmbH in Europe. The US headquarters is located in Dallas, while the German headquarters is in Heidelberg. Across these two regions, Global Byte operates multiple facilities including manufacturing sites, warehouses, and distribution centers located in Dallas, Miami, San Diego, Heidelberg, and Hamburg. In the organizational chart, we can see that John and Peter work as co-CEOs, where John oversees customer-facing functions such as sales and services, and Peter focuses on product development, procurement, and manufacturing. This structure allows the company to support both regional operations and global supply chain activities. Global Byte offers a diverse range of products. First, the company sells trading goods such as helmets, air pumps, and riding accessories. Second, Global Byte produces many semi-finished components including aluminum wheels and composite frames, which are later used in the assembly process. Finally, their core products are finished bicycles such as the deluxe and professional touring bikes available in multiple colors, as well as men's and women's off-road bikes. These product lines showcase the company's focus on innovation, strength, and performance, especially in competitive cycling markets. Global Byte works with an extensive network of customers and vendors across the United States and Germany. The customer list includes well-known bicycle retailers and independent specialty dealers who help match riders with the right GB products. Global Byte operates using several core end-to-end processes, all fully integrated in SAP. First, the enterprise process map shows the major process categories. The first one, idea to market, covers product research, design, and trials. Build to stock includes production planning, manufacturing, quality control, and inventory management. Order to cash covers customer sales, order processing, partner management, and invoicing. Service and support includes problem resolutions, returns, and repairs. And corporate services such as procurement, finance, HR, IT, and strategy management. Behind these categories are detailed SAP workflows. For example, the order to cash process starts with creating a customer, generating inquiries and quotations, creating the sales orders, checking stock, posting goods issue, invoicing, and finally posting customer payment. The procure-to-pay process starts with vendor creation, material creation, purchasing requisitions, purchase orders, goods receipt, invoice receipt, and vendor payment. And these diagrams shows how SAP integrates different modules like SD for sales, MM for materials, FI for finance, ensuring smooth operations from purchasing materials to building products and finally delivering them to customers. This integration is what allows Global Byte to operate efficiently as a global company. And next we come to the SAP case study. So, in step 1, I created my variant finished goods. I used the Manage Product Master data to copy the existing black deluxe touring bike and generated a new white version with the code DXTR4A81. SAP's finished product master contains all essential information such as product type, best unit, product group, and descriptions. Creating the finished good first is important because all later steps like BOM, routing, and costing depend on having this meta data ready. By copying an existing material, SAP helps maintain consistency and reduce errors. In step 2, I created the new raw material for the white frame. I copied the existing black frame material to TRFR4 to add one and updated its description. Raw materials in SAP represent purchase components used inside the BOM. This step is necessary because my new finished bike requires a white frame. If I don't create this raw material now, the BOM update later will not be possible. Creating the raw material ensures SAP has the right component available for costing and production planning. In step 3, I extended the costing one view for the finished product. In this view, I activated with quantity structure and material origin. These settings tell SAP to calculate product cost using the BOM and routing. Without enabling quantity structure, SAP will not read the components or operations during costing, and material origin helps trace the material to cost components in reporting. This step ensures the system can pull the correct data when I run the cost estimate. In step 4, I created a BOM for my white bike. I copied the existing BOM from DXTR1 then replaced the black frame with my white frame. The BOM lists all components needed to build the bike. SAP uses the BOM for production planning, material requirements planning, and costing. Updating the frame component ensures that the cost estimate will calculate the material cost based on the new white frame. In step 5, I created the routing for the white bike. I copied the routing from the original and set it to release status. SAP uses routing to calculate labor time, machine time, and overhead during costing. By copying the existing routing, I ensure the new bike follows the same production process. And in step 6, I executed a cost estimate for DXTR4A81 using costing variant PPC1. SAP collected all costs from the BOM and routing and calculated the standard cost. My calculated cost was $926.09. This step is important because costing summarizes the total planned production cost per unit. In step 7, I mark the cost estimate. Marking stores the cost as the future standard price but does not make it active yet. This step is like a safety checkpoint. It ensures price changes and review before they become effective. SAP requires marking before release to prevent mistakes. In step 8, I review the plain price in the product master. This is to double check the cost estimate before officially activating it. It lets me verify the amount is correct and ready to release. In step 9, I release the marked cost estimate. Once released, the future price becomes the active standard price in SAP. This standard cost is now used for inventory valuation, production variances, and controlling. In the final step, I check the updated standard price in the product master. This confirms that the costing cycle is completed and the new white bike now has a valid standard cost in SAP. So for the reflection on assignment 1 and 2, in assignment 1, I learned how the assurance of learning AOL process works and how important it is for tracking academic performance across different units. In assignment 1, I worked with Excel, Power BI, and Tableau to improve the reporting workflow. Using Excel, I reorganized and standardized the master list, applied data validation, and created a cleaner structure that reduces errors. Power BI helped me automate the AOL results into interactive dashboards, making it easier to compare performance between units and identify trends. With Tableau, I recreated the given sales visualizations and learned how different tools can be used for data exploration and presentation. Overall, Assignment 1 strengthened my skills in data cleaning, dashboard creation, and automation. And for Assignment 2, it was very different because it focused on SAP S/4HANA. Through the Global Byte case study, I created new materials, updated the BOM, copy routines, ran the cost estimate, and released the standard price. This process helped me understand how master data, view of materials, routing, production planning, and controlling are connected inside SAP. Each step has a specific purpose, and I gain hands-on experience navigating the system and understanding how costing information flows through departments such as production, procurement, and finance. Overall, both assignments gave me a stronger understanding of how data business processes and digital tools support decision making. Assignment 1 improved my analytical and reporting skills, while Assignment 2 gave me practical experience with the systems. Together, these tasks helped me build confidence in using technologies to improve accuracy, efficiency, and business insights. And that's all for me. Thank you.